रोलिंग।
एक मिनट।
कैमरा देखो।
किसको? मैम ना मैम। मैम आप कैमरे पे फोकस करिएगा, मेरी तरफ नहीं, कैमरे पे, ठीक है?
Okay, ठीक है.
हाँ। हेलो मैम,
Hello,
हाउ आर यू?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Me good, ma'am. Ma'am, I have few questions for related to your company.
Okay.
First of all, I want to know how AI is in your industry and your exhibitions also.
Okay, sure. So, ours is an AI edtech platform. It is completely AI driven. So, the content is being created by AI in our platform. The quizzes are prepared by AI, and the assessments are also taken by AI on our platform. So, this is a platform, which is revolutionizing education system in a way that, like a human teacher teaches to a student in the class, same way we have AI tutors and AI avatars that teaches to the students. And our main USP is the personalized education that we have been able to create through our proprietary algorithm using deep learning and knowledge graphs. So, what it does, it creates a knowledge graph of topics and subtopics, and it understands what is the strength of a student and what are the weaknesses of a student. And based on that, it prepares and curates the content accordingly to the needs and doubts of the children. That is our USP.
Okay. So, do you think AI helps build better connections with your target audience?
I believe that AI has the capability to individualize every profession. So a human teacher cannot be 24 into 7 available for a child to solve the doubts. But AI has that capability. Technology has that capability to change the experience of a child and make it more individualized and personalized.
Okay, good. Where do you see the biggest opportunities for AI growth in your industry over next 5 years?
I see that in next 5 years you will see more schools adopting AI, more parents adopting AI, and one thing that I believe will change in education is now teachers have to enhance a level up, and so has the schools have to enhance their level up. It will be more practical driven education that I see in coming 5 years, and schools have to adopt more practical workshops. The content part, the lecture part, AI will take care of.
Okay, good. How would you rate your company overall in AI as a maturity?
I would say 8.5. I will rate 8.5 because we have been able to do almost everything that a human teacher can do. We are left with few things like making it multilinguistic, making it more practical driven. That are the areas that we are working on. But I would say that we have got a very good and a handsome product. I would rate 8.5.
Okay, few, you want to say something to your public related to your company AI?
Yes, so I always believe that education is the foundation of everything. So if we can make education personalized and make it more like a one-to-one and personalized kind of education system, and make every student knowledgeable and not focus on rote memorization and pushing them for competitive examinations, we should make them more practical driven, skill driven, and more individualized. That is what I want to tell to my audience.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So,
Thank
thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.